Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the battery and positioning. First, confirm the 1.5V cell model under the case. Once done, place the watch face down on a soft pad so the crystal won't scratch. Use a case knife or back opener to gently pry or unscrew the back. Apply steady pressure and watch the gasket. Make sure it doesn't roll out. Remove the back and inspect the movement layout. Note where the crown stem sits and the battery retaining clip, so you can reverse the process precisely. You now handle the electrical core. Remove the old battery using plastic tweezers, never metal, and set it aside. Inspect the contact springs and clean any corrosion using 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab. Let everything dry so no residue remains. Once clean, position the new 1.5V cell with the correct polarity visible. Press the retaining clip gently until it clicks and confirm the battery sits flush. If the movement has a plastic insulating tab, remove it now so that you finish by protecting seals and testing function. Replace the gasket or apply a light silicone grease to maintain water resistance. Then reseat the case back and press or screw it closed evenly. Set the time with the crown, then watch the second hand for about 5 minutes to confirm consistent ticking. This proves the circuit and step motor work. If the watch remains dead, make sure the contact clip touches the battery. Measure coil continuity or seek a watchmaker. Don't force components if resistance or corrosion persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.